this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to create a new product inside of Freshsales. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up Freshsales like you usually would. Then from here, you should be doing something like this. Then from here, you need to go up to this plus icon up here, where you will see the records, the sales activities, and the emails. Then from here, you need to click Add Product over here. Then this page should be popping up. And here you can go down to Show All Fields to really customize how it's going to look like. Then from here, you can add the basic information like the name. You can add a category like consumables, hardware, software, maintenance, setup, or training. You can add whether or not the product should be active. You can add whether or not it should be either a one-time pricing or subscription service. Where you can see if you choose subscription service, there will also be a setup fee that you can put in. Then from here, you need to change the currency to your desired currency. In this tutorial, just going to use USD, and you can add the unit price for how much this product is going to cost. You can also down here add a new price in another currency if you want to do that. Down here, you can add a product code, you can add a SKU number, you can add the owner, and you can choose if it should be valid till a specific date. Then you can also choose whether or not it should be a parent product. Then from here, you can click Save, and then you can see your product has been created. And as you can see here, unit price costs $10. You can go up and add an edit price over here, but you can also edit all of these information over here if you want to do that. Over here in files, you can also attach files if you want to do that. And if you want to delete or either clone it, you can go by clicking on these three dots, click delete and clone. And that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!